Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to math today. We're going to make 7 in different ways. For example, if you hold up 7 fingers, you might do this, 5, 6, 7. Another way to make 7, you could take one away over here and put it over here. 4 and 3 make 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Different ways to make 7. Let's review with the video from investigations, and then I'll show you a game on my document camera. A story problem about how many of each. Myself over here.
A story problem about how many of each. Here's a story about crayons. I have 7 crayons. Some are blue and some are yellow. What do I know? I know that there are 7 crayons. I also know that the box has some blue crayons and some yellow crayons. How many of each could be in the box? How many blue? How many yellow? I think there is more than one answer to this problem. I could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blue crayons and 1 yellow crayon. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crayons. 6 are blue and 1 is yellow. I could also have 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow crayons and 3 blue crayons. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crayons. 4 are yellow and 3 are blue. Think about other combinations of yellow and blue crayons that make 7.
A story problem about how many of each. Here's the story. I have 7 crayons. Some are blue, some are yellow. How many of each could I have? How many blue? How many yellow? Here are some ways students solved this problem. Manuel took a handful of blue and yellow cubes. He counted out 7 cubes. Manuel had 2 blue cubes and 5 yellow cubes. Sarah used crayons. 4 are blue, 3 are yellow. When I traded a blue for a yellow, I had 3 blue and 4 yellow. A story problem about how many of each. Here's the story. I have 7 crayons. Some are blue, some are yellow. How many of each could I have? How many blue? How many yellow? Here are some ways students solved this problem. Caitlin used cubes too. First, she counted out 7 yellow cubes, but some had to be blue, so she took off 1 yellow and added on 1 blue cube. Jack used his fingers. He knew that if he had 5, he would need 2 more to make 7. I wrote 5B for blue and 2Y for yellow. Then I wrote it the other way, for 5 yellow and 2 blue.
Okay, boys and girls, let me show you what we can do with this. You could choose to do that, Unit 631, or you could use your cubes. I chose to use our little circles. I have red circles and yellow circles. So what we're going to do is, let's see how many we have. 1, I'm going to count by touching and pulling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you have 7 circles 7 red circles plus 0 yellow circles equals the total of 7. We already counted it, so we know that it's the same. Now, another way I could do that is I could take one of those away and put a yellow. So what that would mean is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 red plus 1 yellow equals 7. The total stays the same. I could take another one away and put 2 yellows. So that would be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always check yourself. 5 plus 2, Masubita, that equals, again, 7. You could take it away like this. There you have 3 yellow and 1. You have 4 red plus 3 yellow equals 7. Look at the pattern that I'm making. 7, 6, 5, 4. Over here, 0, 1, 2, 3. Notice the pattern that I'm making. So I'm going to take another one away. Yellow. So I have 3 red plus 4 yellow equals 7. Then I can take another one off. And there I have 5. I have 5 yellow and I have 2 red. So 2 red plus 5 yellow equals 7. And then I take one off, put another. So now I just have 1 little red one plus 6 yellow equals 7. And then you can do the turnaround facts. You can do 6 plus 1, 5 plus 2, and so on. Different ways to make 7. Now, again, show me with your fingers one way to make 7. You can go like this, 5 and 2. Show me another way to make 7. Good, I showed you this way. You can take it away over here and put it over here. 4 and 3 make 7. All right, boys and girls, enjoy different ways to make 7.